In this video, I'll guide you through how to find integrations in Gusto. Whether you're new to Gusto or just looking to make the most of its features, understanding how to find and connect integrations can really streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in and explore how you can enhance your Gusto experience through easy integrations. First, you'll want to head over to gusto.com. This is the official website for Gusto, and where you'll be able to access all the resources and tools that Gusto offers. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled App Directory. Clicking on this will open up a new world of possibilities for you and your business. The App Directory is essentially a marketplace that showcases all the integrations available for Gusto. It's designed to help you find the right tools to connect with your Gusto account, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Once you're in the App Directory, you'll see a search bar. This is your gateway to discovering the integrations that best fit your needs. You can type in keywords relevant to the type of integration you're looking for. For instance, if you're interested in integrating a time tracking app, simply type time tracking and hit enter. The search function is powerful and will quickly filter through the available options to show you the most relevant apps. After you've performed a search, a list of apps will appear. Browse through these options and find the one that best suits your requirements. When you find an app that catches your eye, click on Learn More. This will take you to a detailed page about the app, providing you with all the information you need to make an informed decision. Here, you can read more about what the app does, check reviews, and see how it integrates with Gusto. Once you've decided on an integration, the next step is to connect it to your Gusto account. On the app's detailed page, you'll see a Connect button. Clicking this will initiate the process of linking the app with Gusto. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the connection. This might involve logging into the app or granting permissions to allow data sharing between the app and Gusto. And that's it. You've successfully found and connected an integration in Gusto. By connecting these apps, you can automate tasks, reduce manual work, and create a more seamless workflow. Remember, the App Directory is an ever-evolving space, so be sure to check back regularly for new tools and integrations that could further enhance your business operations. I hope this guide helps you make the most of Gusto's capabilities by leveraging its integrations. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Gusto's support team or explore their help center for more resources. Thanks for watching and enjoy the newfound efficiency in your workflow.